Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Force lightning spawns in specific high-tier loot areas across the map. Check named POIs first, especially Imperial Towers and shuttle crash sites. Look for glowing rare weapon caches near these landmarks. Open chests and supply drops as soon as they appear to increase your odds. Loot frequency improves later in the match, usually after 3 to 4 storm circles have passed. Prioritize these zones while watching for other players. Move quickly and quietly to claim Force Lightning before enemies arrive. Pick up Force Lightning and equip it in any available weapon slot. Treat it like a heavy energy weapon that fires arcs between targets. Hold the aim button to charge for stronger arcs and release to fire bolts. The weapon drains energy per shot, so time bursts for maximum efficiency. Aim slightly above enemies to account for projectile travel and arc spread. Switch to a secondary weapon after bursts to finish downed foes with traditional firepower. Use ledges and corners to bounce arcs around cover and hit multiple enemies. Position yourself so the arc can chain through 2 to 3 targets at once. Pair Force Lightning with mobility items to close distance within 30 meters quickly. Burst fire instead of continuous beams to conserve energy and control recoil. Reload windows appear between bursts and let you reposition for safer follow-up shots. Always carry a secondary weapon for medium to long-range engagements after using Force Lightning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.